Hey buddies, welcome to Buddique. It's not just Buddy, it's Buddique, a smart learning platform with a unique process. Let's start with today's video. Today's video is about the life cycle of the Taenia solium, which is also been known as pod tapeworm. Here is the introduction of the Taenia solium. Taenia solium is the parasitic flatworm which belongs to the class Cestoda, and this class Cestoda is present in the phylum Platyhelminthes. Tediosolium is called the pop tapeworm because its larva stages live in the pigs and the adult live in the human. So its life cycle is digenetic, which means it involves two hosts. The primary host is the human in which adult form is present, and the secondary host is the pig in which larva stage is present. Let's start with the stages in the life cycle. There are mainly 5 stages present in its life cycle. Here is the diagram. You will able to understand this diagram when you complete out this whole video. Here it is the first stage of this life cycle. Adult form in the human intestine. The adult form live in the small intestine of the human. Adult form has scolex. Scolex is also known as head, and in head, 4 suckers and this prostellum with the hooks are present, and these are present for the attachment to the small intestine. Their body is long and ribbon-like, and there are many proglottids present, and due to proglottids, their body appears like a segmented one. In each mature proglottids, both male and female reproductive organ are present, due to which their body is known as hermaphrodite body. So, it has hermaphrodite character. Their fertilization is internal, and the fertilization either be a self-fertilization and cross-fertilization. In self-fertilization, fertilization occurs within the same proglottids, and in cross-fertilization, fertilization occurs between the different proglottids. Here is the diagram of the Taenia solium. You can see here is the scolex, which is also known as head, and inside the head, hooks and suckers are present for the attachment. There are immature, mature, and gravid proglottids. Immature is attached to the head, and the last one is the gravid proglottid. And in between immature and gravid, mature proglottids are present. And we know in mature proglottids, male and female organs are present. Second stage is the formation and release of eggs. After fertilization, zygotes are formed in the uterus of the gravid proglottids. These proglottids detach from the body and are passed out with the human feces. Each egg contains hexanthus embryo, which is also known as oncosphere. And in the oncosphere, 6 hooks are present, due to which its embryo is known as hexanth embryo. You can see in this diagram. Third stage is the ingestion by the pig, and the pig is the secondary host, we know very well. Infected by the eating contaminated food and water containing eggs. In the pig's intestine, the oncosphere hatches and use its hooks to penetrate in its intestinal wall, and it enter into the bloodstream, through which it travel into the muscles, where it develop into the larva stage. Fourth stage is stricus stage, which is also known as larva stage. In this stage, in the pig muscles, the larva become a bladder-like structure, which is called as cystricus cellulose. In the cellulose, fluid-filled sac is present, with an invaginated scolex present inside it. This stage is also known as bladder worm. This infected pork containing the cysticae, which is called as measles pork. The fifth stage is the infection of human, which is the primary host. Human get infected by eating the uncooked or the raw pork containing the cysticae. In the human intestine, the cyst wall is digested and the scolex evaginate. In this diagram, you can see the yellow part is the fluid-filled sac, and outside there are a wall, and this wall is known as cyst wall, and this cyst wall is digested in the human intestine, and this Calyx is evaginated. It means it's turned outwards. You can see in the last two diagrams how it can be evaginated. And the calyx attach to the intestinal wall and start forming a new proglottis. The worm becomes sexually mature in about 2 to 3 months and can be lived for many years. Here is the summary of the life cycle. Here is the extra exam tips. You can follow these tips in the exam for getting a good marks. All about it today's video. Hope you liked my video. If you like it, go for a subscribe and hit the bell button and also hit the like button. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.